Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. If you're new here, hi, how are you? We are at Wendy's today because Wendy's came out today, September 12th, 2023, with a new Frosty. And it is pumpkin spice flavored Frosty. So we're going to be trying that out. I am super excited for this one. And I'm also going to be trying Dairy Queen's pumpkin pie blizzard. It's not new there, but they've had it before, but I've never tried it. So why not combine the two since they're like two tasty frozen treats? So that's what we're going to do. We're at Wendy's right now. We're going to just pop into the drive-thru. I have rewards with Wendy's, so I'm going to use my small Frosty rewards. So as you guys can see, I got like 335 coins or points, and I can get a small Frosty. So that's what I'm about to do. And then we're gonna pop over to Dairy Queen and try their pumpkin pie blizzard because I've never tried it, but that's not new. Okay, so see you later. Y'all, I don't think I was able to like redeem my points for the new one, only for the chocolate one. So yeah, and I forgot to order a fry because I wanted a fry with it.
Welcome to Wendy's, my take order.
I have a mobile order for Sherelle.
You can pull it.
Y'all, I hope my camera act right today and don't overheat on me. Okay? Ain't nobody got time for that. It's not even like hot no more. Thank you. Okay, y'all. She had my order just ready at the window, so I didn't even ask for a fry. So now we're gonna just head on over to Dairy Queen. But y'all, this is the little tiny thingy. We're gonna try it once I get my Dairy Queen. Okay, you guys, I have both items right here. I have my pumpkin spice Frosty, and I have my pumpkin pie blizzard. Okay, so what I think we're gonna try first is the blizzard because it's open. It's definitely giving pumpkin pie. What are these crunchy things in it? Let me just tell y'all what's in this pumpkin pie blizzard. Pumpkin pie blizzard. I got a mini. Let me take another bite first before I find it. And they put whipped cream, and it looks like pumpkin pie. I don't know, something they sprinkled on top. At first, I wasn't feeling it. And it's taking a long time to load up, y'all. I was trying to tell y'all what comes on it, but it's taking a long time, man. Who knows if it'll ever pop up. But y'all, whatever the crunchy stuff that's in it is making it taste really good. Yeah, y'all, I don't think I'm gonna be able to tell y'all what's in it because it's not working. Y'all, my internet is not working. But I can't stop eating it, actually. Like, at first, like I said, it wasn't that good. But, the crunchy stuff is good. It's good. I like it. I'm not a big pumpkin pie fan. Like, if you was to ask me what do I like better, pumpkin pie or sweet potato pie, I'm going to say sweet potato pie. Okay, y'all, let's try the pumpkin spice Frosty from Wendy's. First bite. I'm sorry if y'all, like, if it's loud. It's like they cutting grass. I already knew it was gonna be good because Wendy's Frosties are really sweet, and when it's real sweet, it's good. I don't even know which one I like better. Y'all, they about the same color too. Let's go back to this Dairy Queen. The Frosty, the pumpkin spice Frosty is sweeter than the Blizzard. But the only reason I'm really loving this Blizzard is because of the crunchy pieces. Okay, y'all. So it finally popped up. Let me see what's in the pumpkin pie. I keep saying pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie Blizzard. Okay. It says real pumpkin pie pieces blended with our world famous soft serve to Blizzard. Perfection and garnished with whipped topping and nutmeg. That's what was on top of it. Nutmeg. I butchered the way I read that. So bad. Let me see if it's a description for the Frosty from Wendy's. If you're a pumpkin pie person, you're gonna love both. Oh, y'all, my camera getting hot, and I don't even know why it's getting hot. Like, it hasn't even been on long. Quick video. Very quick today. Camera's getting hot, so I gotta wrap it up. It was a taste test, so I'm gonna rate them. The pumpkin pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen, I'm gonna give it a good solid 7.5 out of 10, just because it's not my favorite Blizzard. My favorite Blizzard from Dairy Queen is the Royal New York cheesecake Blizzard, strawberry cheesecake Blizzard. That but anyway, it was really good though. It was really, really good, especially the little crunchy pieces. But anyway, I guess that's the pie crust from the pumpkin pie because it's blended with real pie. pumpkin pie. So I couldn't find a description on the Frosty, the pumpkin spice Frosty for Wendy's on the website. It might be on some other type of website, but I didn't look. But I'm gonna give that one about the same, maybe a 7.5, because I don't really know. It's like, it's kind of hard because I want to give it an 8, but for some reason I feel like I like the Blizzard better because of the little, y'all, my camera cut off in the middle of me talking or rating the Frosty, the pumpkin spice Frosty from Wendy's. Y'all know what, I'm just gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give both of them an 8. I like them. I enjoyed them. Then again, I'm starving to death because I haven't eaten and I'm eating dessert. But we're making tacos today. And I'm going to be using the new shells. Spicy jalapeno cheddar shells. We're going to be trying that out. So, yeah. I will do a video on that, but the way my living situation is set up, I don't know. But yeah, pumpkin spice Frosty, pumpkin pie, Blizzard, Dairy Queen, Wendy's, Dairy Queen, Wendy's. But my camera's finna shut off again, so I gotta go. If you're new here to my channel, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss an upload when I upload a video here on my channel. Everyone, goodbye, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.